So what, I known you about a year. So when I thought about this question, you were the first person that came to mind. I remember growing up, like when a phone was just a phone, and all you could do on that phone was just call people. Now you can text. I remember when I discovered text, like I was in a group chat, my first group chat. It's like I was the popular guy in there, and everybody was like, "Yo, what up, DJ?" And I was like, "What up, whoever you are?" Because I didn't save the numbers because I didn't know it, because there was so many people to connect to. Man, and it was crazy. It's like now you have in a phone, you got a mini laptop. That's insane. And if you would have told me 20 years ago that right now we'd be like this with technology, I'd be like, nah, you don't know what you're talking about. So you tell me, where do you feel like we'll be 20 years from now with technology? You don't really have an opinion on this, do you? Okay, I mean, I just figured you'd give me something, being that, I've known you for about a year. Okay. I almost agree with your take on it, actually. You need some help?